Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear call logs in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear call logs on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening a Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a tree land icon available for us. Tap on the tree land icon at the top left. And when this panel appears, you can see there's the calls option available for us just below the contacts. Tap on calls and you will be over here on the call log section of Telegram, where there will be all of the calls of Telegram here. Now in order to proceed to clear your call logs on Telegram, at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see there's a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right corner, and when you tap on it, the delete all calls option will be available for us at the section at the top right. Let's tap on the top right corner where there is the three dotted icon, and when the delete all calls appears, tap on delete all calls and this kind of pop-up box will appear. If you want to delete your call logs for everyone with whom you had called, tap on the empty box over here where there is the empty box, and after the tick mark appears, here it says, guys, do you want to delete all recent calls? You can see there is a delete button at the bottom right of this pop-up box. Tap on the delete button at the bottom right and all of your call logs on Telegram will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear call logs in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.